Right now, the car is having a misfire. In order to find out which cylinder has the misfire, I'm first going to try and see if one of these spark plugs has gone bad by removing the boots from each cylinder as the car is idling rough. If I remove a plug and it sounds the same, I put the plug back on, and when I find one that misfires, I'm then going to swap the spark plugs from that cylinder into one that is working. If the cylinder no longer misfires, then I know that it could be a spark plug problem. If it still does misfire, I have to move on to the wires. This cylinder's misfiring. In order to test that now, I have to swap these two spark plugs.
This is a note specifically towards spiders. Their spark plugs are on top, so blow them out with a little bit of air to get all the dust and debris before opening up the cylinder.
This is first cylinder, looks all right, no damage. This is the second spark plug. You can immediately see gas and oil residue.
The bad plug is now in the cylinder closest to the driver.
Now we're gonna do that same test again.
And there we go. I put the boot back on and there were no major pitch changes. So I'm confident that the cylinder closest to the driver's seat is the one that's misfiring.
So if you missed that, I actually got shocked right there. And man, that hurt like a... I went ahead and bought some new plugs for the car. Take a gapping tool, 0.25. So I put the gap in and bend it in and then check again. I ended up going too far, as you can see. It's a little further than what I wanted it to be at. So you just take this little hole right here, put it in, and then you pry it out kind of like a bottle opener.
For those that are wondering, torque spec is 25 foot-pounds. I walked it up in half, so I did 12 and then 25.
And there's 4.
This project was pretty easy, and I would put it under standard maintenance for this car. Hopefully you learned something, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you very much, and have a good day.